up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a review slash try on video of my March Ipsy bag. So I know March is coming to an end, but I wanted to hurry up and get this video out before April came, because why not? Why not? So if you want to see what I think about the products in this bag, then just keep on watching. But before we get started in the video, I want to make sure that you are subscribed to my channel, and also please turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. So this is the cute little bag for this month. Ipsy is $10 a month, and you can customize it to your liking and what you need. You could do add-ons and different packages and stuff like that. I just do the simple little bag every month. That's $10. So this is the bag that it comes in. And it says, and off she went to change the world. Okay, so this product I am actually not going to try out in this video because this is actually a leave-in conditioner, and I am not about to have a clip from this video of me in the shower trying it out. So I will let you guys know later on how I like this product. It's called Foxy Bay Flaming Glow Leave-In Cream Conditioner. It looks really cute. Let's see what it smells like. It smells good, you know, it smells everything. So so here's what it looks like. Right, so I'm not going to try that out in this video, but I'll let y'all know how I like it. Next item in the bag is Lottie London Shimmer Squad, and it is a highlighter. Ooh, so let's see what this highlighter looks like. That's exciting. You know, I always got room in my makeup box for more highlighters. Okay, that's cute. It's like a champagne-y, like it's almost like the color of the bag, like a soft pink, like champagne color. Very pretty. I love it. Let's see how that comes off onto my skin. Next item in the bag is Yensa Color and Face Skin on Skin BC Foundation. Okay, a little foundation. So it has BB and CC cream. Oh, it's a full coverage foundation. Y'all know I don't use full coverage that often, but I always have room for full coverage from when I be going out. Here's the foundation, Yensa. Okay, that's interesting. So it is a BBCC cream, but it is still a full coverage foundation with SPF. That is cool. So I can't wait to try that. Next item in the bag is the Morphe bronzer. I actually used it in my first YouTube video. So this is the one item in the bag that I already tested out, but you know, I don't know what it'll look like on top of this foundation, so I guess it'll still be kind of like a first, I don't know, a first look just with a different foundation. Can I do that? I don't know. So I still don't know how to pronounce this name though. Like I'm just gonna put the name somewhere in the video. Y'all can figure it out on your own. But this is the color of the Morphe bronzer. It's a very deep bronzy tan color. It might just be too tan for me. I don't know. I'm not tan right now at all, but we'll see. And then the last item in the bag is a matte liquid lipstick. The brand is called Real Her, and the name of the color is I Am Adaptable. So it's this really pretty red liquid lipstick. You know, red is not really my lip color. I do always steer clear of those. I don't know, I feel like I might be too pale, and then in the summer when I'm tan I still don't like the way it looks on me, so it's just kind of not my thing, but I'm still gonna put it on this video. We'll see what she look like. But yeah, it seems like a great product. So okay, I'm just going to get ready using these products. So So there's the foundation. So I really like the foundation. I like how it looks. It's very glowy. Obviously I haven't set it with any powder yet, and I really like it. It's somewhat of like a, clearly it's darker than my skin tone slightly, but this is like what I usually look like in this summertime. Maybe just a tad tanner. but this is pretty much what I look like in the summertime. So yeah, I'm happy I can use this in the summer when I get tanner. I had to like pull it so far down my neck and chest because I'm so pale right now, but it's cute. And it says it's full coverage, so let me give a real review, okay? Full coverage foundation. Now, I've used a lot of full coverage. I've used a lot of foundations in my day. I would not call this full coverage at all. I would actually compare this to my NARS Tinted Moisturizer, which is very sheer coverage. And yeah, this is very sheer. Like, I can still... It looks great. I love sheer coverage personally. Like, this is what I go for. But for people who are excited to get this and buy this with the impression that it's full coverage, might not be too happy with it. I can see all my freckles. I know quite a few people who have freckles and purposely cover them because they just, you know, with full coverage. So that would probably piss those people off if they spent their money on this product. I personally like it, but I mean, if you're really going for sheer coverage, this is not it. Maybe it's buildable. I don't know. I really don't know. But it looks great though. That's one thing. It's dewy and hydrating, and it smells amazing. It feels great on my skin, but this ain't full coverage, girl. It's not, but it's cute. All right, moving on. All right, so now I'm gonna go in with the Morphe bronzer. So let's see how this looks. Go ahead and go in with the highlighter. We'll see how she looks. This highlighter is so bomb, like so impressive. Oh my goodness. Like, just look at it. Look how easy it comes off. Like, I put barely any on my brush. This is so pretty. So dewy and glowy, like, oh my goodness. I can't stop thinking of like spring break, summer, like bomb. I'm just highlighting my whole face now because I like the highlighter. Get a little nose highlight, little bridge of the nose highlight. This is so cute. Look at that. What? Super dewy, glowy. I love it. Okay, now I'm gonna do my eye. I'm just gonna use the liner I always use, which is NYX in Brown, because I don't have a red lip liner because I don't wear red lips, but we'll see how this comes out. I look like Kim Possible. Okay, so there's this red lip, this very, very red lip. I mean, it's really cute, it's really pretty, but I don't know. I think it's a great product. It's already dry so fast. Oh my gosh, it's dry. That was so fast. That's all that came off. I just went and did my hair really quick because it was looking rough. So my overall thoughts of the Ipsy bag was great this month. Like, I'm still getting used to it because I always just have like, I don't know, like a neutral lip color. But the lip product itself was a great product. Like, it really was. It dried so fast and it stays. Like, it's on there. It's not going nowhere. The foundation was great. I actually am a fan of that foundation. I would buy it again with my money, regular size. I think it was the perfect like dewy foundation, and like I said, it was called full coverage, but in my opinion that was not full coverage, so you might want to keep that in mind if you think about buying it or anything and you really need like things covered on your face. Like that would not be for you. The Morphe bronzer, I'm a fan. Like I'm super bronzy right now and I absolutely love it. What's it called? Lottie London, I think it's called. Lottie London. Yes, bomb. Oh my god, that's my favorite product in the whole bag. Like I said, I will try out the leave-in conditioner on a different day and I'll let y'all know what I think about that. But yeah, so that's it for this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you would like to see more Ipsy bag videos. I'll probably do them once a month when I get my Ipsy bag. Comment down below if you like the video, if you have any questions or comments. I would love to hear them and see them. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to put on your notifications so you don't miss my next video, and thank you so much for watching, you guys. Bye.